Morning in Montenegro. Already feel the heat. Ready to leave Hotel Ravignac, which was there. Our digs was up there. Pretty good. Dead, like great value for money. Anyway. Just have a wee look and show you the Springs bit first before we go. Those are pretty cool. Check it out. So that's the restaurant. That's the view. And it's like you can stay there for, well, for 3 rooms it was €68. Which is fuck all. It's brilliant. €68 among 6. So we've decided to not book anywhere. It's Wednesday, it's off season, so we're going to head to tourist information and do old school and like see what they can find for us. We're trying to stay round about Kotor. It doesn't have to be in the old town or any of that shit. Just anywhere around that sort of area. So we'll see what we come up with. Hopefully it's done good. If not, if we can't find any, we've got our tents, so fuck it. Andrea was, he was putting effort in it. He was really trying to find somewhere, but nothing could quite match up, or it was too expensive, or never had parking for the bikes, or... So anyway, we'll just run it and see what we get. We go to the Welder pub, except I'm not really a welder. I think this is Nexsiege. I don't know what that big thing is. Pretty cool though. It's over the river. Yes, if you're what's me here, fucking hell. That was carnage. It's like Rome or something. I'll have to agree if that's what Rome's like.
They've only modernised it to the top there. The old road was running up side of the new one.
Yeah.
But this is the old road.
So this is the old road down to Kotor, and it's pretty steep, quite a nice balcony road. Phenomenal scenery though. I'm going to try not to fall off the edge while looking down there. I mean, Jesus. Absolutely stunning. This is the hairpin road. Hello! 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 You're fucking high off here. Oh god. Not with the fear yet. Look at this. What sort of fuck that brings a fucking bus up here? Apologise in advance for any funny sounds I make. Can't fuck this up. I can't go! Oh, fuck. Why anybody would want to get on a bus and come up here is fucking beyond me. What a view. Спасибо. These motorhomes have got stuck. Yep. Oh well, I'll turn the camera off. No, maybe not. Get it out. So there's some sort of delay. We don't know if somebody's in a prang or something. So it looks that way. Oh, the beamer's drowned it out. Right, we're moving once again. Fuck me. Whoever has the idea to bring buses up roads like this needs a fucking kick to the balls. 3 buses. I started at the top of the hill, overhydrated, fucking pissing every half an hour. There's so much water now, I'm thirsty as fuck. Buses, man. I wonder if one of the buses will do the right thing and let us all past, because there's a fucking queue like you never believe of bikes. Watch out, Tim. Cheers.
It's about 2 millimeters away from the back of the bus.
Finally got past. Fuck me. That's the yes of an inch. Right, so hopefully we'll pick this up again back in Kotor. This tunnel is grim, it is full of fumes. I can hardly breathe. Well, we're in Kotor. Kotor. It is fucking warm and pretty busy. Kotor's nice, but it is too busy for us. So we've decided to head up the coast a bit because Kotor is fucking rammed. Sort of thought it would be, to be fair. Pretty touristy. Away, check out some accommodation we've hopefully found on booking.com. I want to have a look at it first though. It's hot. I think the heat's going to get to everybody. We've got a place to stay. Yes. I'm just going back to get some cash and go to the shop. Got money, got beers. Laughing. So this is where our digs are. Show you. It's over there, you can just see them. Guys are out swimming just now in the water. The place is called Strut. He's still there. Big boat in our digs. So we made it, eventually got these digs which are great. Not that close to a restaurant or anything, but that's okay. Get a taxi along the road, it's only a few kilometres. There's no pavement or else we could walk it. But we're here in the Bay of Kotor. It's really nice. Tim dived in earlier on and lost his glasses. But yeah, so all in all, good times. Quite tired. and it's fucking roasting again. So tomorrow we head back to Croatia, back up the coast past Dubrovnik and that. Maybe find a place to camp, I don't know. Depends what's happening. I can't afford to stay in hotels ever once we get up to sort of the rich bit of Europe. But it's nice here. What do you say?
Right, forward, right a bit, left a bit.
Keep going.
Right, okay, down.
Down.
Shit, tell
You're
it.
okay, you're okay. Good job, man. Give it a
It's
10.
still hard. It is definitely.
Right, go down.
Well, we need to get another one. That one's no good. No. We can't reach it from here.
We'll go round to the other ones.
Michael, why don't you just stretch your hand up and do the same?
Soft one. It's done that. It's soft. They must be eating them as they get right.
Sometimes it comes round to come
Yeah.
in. That's where we are.
Yeah, that's absolutely right.
Yeah.
We're as far south in Qatar now as we intended to be. We haven't strayed and gone too far south.
And you for all your ticks in the boxes.
I've had every single tick in the box. Absolutely,
I think-
every single one.
I think Mike Gray would have loved it. I just wish Mike would have been here.
Honestly, Mike
Is he-
would have coped with absolutely everything we did